Before and after installation of the kitchen cabinet for UK class. Kitchen cabinet, that's the empty space. It's empty. You can see it. There's some empty space. There's evidence that the kitchen cabinet was stored. Now, this same door was the door I did for the kitchen also. There's a process where the board had been cut. That was the cutting of the board into different sizes. Yes. Um, and this process is the process whereby the kitchen cabinet doors are being transported to the site. This is where the site here. The installation process is going on here. Through the process, yeah, these are the board cut into pieces. Yeah, molding of the board into cabinet. There's one cabinet there. There's the cabinet. Fixing to cabinet. Yeah, there's what we're fixing the cabinet. Installation of the cabinet. The upper part of the cabinet. As you can see, these are evidence. There's the cabinet coming to shape. Because a lot of times, many people outside Nigeria, they don't believe because you meet someone online. They don't believe you could deliver, you could give them money and do good things. If somebody has duped you, we're not the one. We'll say what we say. That's the cabinet, that is the shape of the cabinet. That's me there speaking. So we'll make doors, TV console, kitchen cabinet. So if you're having a project, we're located in Lagos. However, we could work anywhere if you believe you trust. And these are the evidence where the kitchen cabinet is being stored. That is the island. This island is movable. We did it a movable one because the space in the kitchen is smaller, so we have to do a movable one whereby we can place it by the side after the door. So this that is the evidence of the kitchen cabinet that we made recently. So if you have a project, you can trust us. You can WhatsApp in my number 0024995989. Please note, we're in Lagos and we can work anywhere only if you trust a work process and we always deliver. So I only want people that are serious, not those that will come and call or call and they are not really interested just to come and waste our time. So those clients called, we did the door for him, and after the door for consulting this simple kitchen cabinet. So we'll deliver what we say. I'll give you the installation. Simple kitchen cabinet we did. Was on the island, which is a movable one because of the space. Look at it, the space is really if you have a project, doors, doors, do that, wooden doors, kitchen cabinets, wardrobe in your house, make it. You use good material, which are going to be durable, last long, and give you value for your money. If you're interested, just WhatsApp me. My number again is 0024995989. I will look at that in Lagos. You can work in your own location in Nigeria. Don't allow me to it's because of interest. We have on the site. Gave you the name. Which is not true. So that's my number. You can reach out to me. Thank you.